Hello, good day guys. Today, meron tayong samahan nyo ako. Dito tayo sa Power Plant Mall.
Today, we are here at the 5th para sa isang corporate party with Cami Music Manila.
Look, who's here guys? Galing pang airport yan.
This is Zai Cueta, violinist. You can follow her.
Sabi mo, kumpare ko to, tol.
Kasama din ng mga mayayabang.
At sino ba namang hindi nakakakilala sa taong to? Ang alamat, Camille Escanio. And this is us doing sound check.
Guys, tapos na kami mag-sound check. Kakain kami sa labas sa power plant. And please welcome, palakpakan nyo naman, Bogs TV, guys.
Alam niyo ba ba't kami kakain sa labas?
Bakit?
May pagbili kami.
Ramen. And here, we saw a very good friend. Napakagaling na violinista. Shoutout sa iyo, Nyor.
Hello po. Pinakamalaking Christmas tree sa Team Akatsman. Solid man. Guys, say hi to the vlog.
Hello, vlogs.
Hello, vlog.
Rehearsal, tag rehearsal, whatever.
Papakapayat, no?
This is some of the happenings at the tech booth while doing the program. This is DJ Allen and the crew. Party set in 3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, good evening. Look. Walang tao sa power plant. Oh, Chief, what's up? Finally, we're done. So, it's a wrap. Thank you so much guys. Sana nagustuhan niyo tong video. Ang ganda dito sa power plant pagka sarado na. Wala lang katao-tao, nakakatakot. Dito ako nag-park and we're going home. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Ingat kayo palagi.